Hey guys, welcome back. Today in part 9 of day 1 of the basic of Swift, we will talk about tuples. Yeah, we need to open a playground. Also, you can find the source in GitHub. And yeah, let's talk about this. So tuple actually group multiple values into a single compound value, which means that we can assign group of value to only one name and then work with that and call it later. And one of the special feature of tuple is that these values don't have to be in the same type, so they can be in different types. So here you will see we assign 404 to and not found to HTTP 404 error, and then later we can call it in different way. So let me go to backgrounds, playground, and you know that how you can do it: file, new, and playground, and name it. I already did that, and copy those code in here. So here you will see decomposing tuple is going to be like this. So I'll do this and you will see that these two gonna be in index 01 for this one, and index dot 0 for 404. And so later we can decomposing this HTTP 404 error in this tuple, and later we can call these and print them in the status code. We can print them in a console, or we can work with that. But there could be another approach. We can just composing, ignore any of this element, but putting underline. So then it will be ignored, and then we can use this one, the only one like this. Also, we can use index for calling that. So here you will see HTTP 404.1.0 and .1 can do it. Let me, yeah, here you go. Let me show this one to you. You will see, just pick up 404 here and show it in the console. Also for these two, you will see that we from HTTP 404 error dot 0, we're gonna pick up index 0, and then gonna pick up index 1. Also here you will see that we can already, when we declaring when we defining our tuple, we can give individual name. We can give name to any individual element like this: status code and description. Here you will see. So later we can use that. So we just need to bring name of this. We can use 01.0 or status code to pick up this and show it in the console, which we call it tuple index. And here you will see another one that I did. I get John Smith to this one. So first name gonna be person.0 and person.1. And yes, in the last things you need to know about the tuples is that usually we use the tuple for function, because in function we know we can only return one item, one element, so we can use tuple to return multiple values. And yeah, here says that tuple is very handy tools, but is not good tools for using as a data structure. It's hope good for passing data between function and some other things. So here you will see something, some other test I did upon here we define a tuple 00, and here you will see that we can change any anyone. So point 1 gonna change to this one, and yeah, you will see that point 0 change to 10, and yeah, so we can change it even with index. Other, yeah, here you will see with the name again. I used, and here I show them at the console. I show we can print whole tuple in console. Here you will see when there is a name, and we can use multiple assignments by using tuple. And here you will see element name again. I did that another test. And another example, and here finally I'm going to use it for loop. So you will hear here, I have a my dictionary. So let me see what's the type of this. Type of this is my actually dictionary with string, so key string and value string. So here pretty easy. My for loop, here I put a tuple. So inside the loop I can use these two names with to pick up one by one elements from this dictionary. This is something that we will use a lot. So just remind you, this is a tuple. And also we can only pick up, for example, keys like this, or only pick up value. Usually when we don't use tuple, it's gonna pick up only value. Actually it's gonna pick up both. Okay, so yeah, at the end here, we can have tuple inside another tuple. Here is an example. You will see that how we can call it. So element 0, which is only one value, and element 1 has only the dot 0, which is another tuple. And another way we can use tuple, just sweeping two value, pretty easy. Element A is 5 and element B is 4. We just say, okay, element B, tuple element B, comma, element A equal element A. Yeah, so you will see that it will change them pretty easy. Yeah, here you go, and all about the tuples. I hope you got it. It's all about, I can say, for tuple in this basic part, and I hope you like it. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up, and don't forget to be subscribed for more videos which are coming soon. And any question you have, you can ask in comment. I'll be more than happy to help. I wish the best for you, and have a good one. Bye bye.